All right, so you can see most of that sun fade came out. I gotta come up and do it again. I gotta come up here and do this again, but most of it came out. If you look from this angle, the majority of it down here is gone. I just gotta get this little spot right there. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video, in this series of this 2003, we're gonna go ahead and start the paint correction process. We're gonna be buffing it. So obviously we did the clay bar and we're gonna buff it, and then we're gonna do another car wash on it and degrease it. There are some little scrapes like this here. This is totally a surface scratch, so we'll be able to get stuff like that out. And I think that's actually the worst of the paint stuff on this car, minus the spoiler, which we'll do in another episode. This is gonna be sanded and I'm gonna repaint it. That's the last thing I'm gonna do. So stay tuned. Just letting that degreaser set into that glue so I can wipe the rest of that off. Up front here, this one is good, ready to go for the new one. And before I set this into like super fast mode, I'm going to just show you how I remove that scrape. A little water, a little 1500 sandpaper, because this is a fine scratch. I gotta get new paper here. It's a little further in there than I thought, but lighter. It's a little further in the paint than I thought it was, but barely noticeable. All right, I'm gonna leave you right here and I'm gonna start buffing this out. Just wanted to take a second, interrupt this video with my new website, vehiclecheap.com, where you can see my reviews, tools and accessories used in the channel, some of my consulting services that inquire car shopping, and of course my do-it-yourself projects, as well as my news and blogs that I'll write, and of course more of my car reviews. Down below, of course, you can see my featured video, more of my services, about me and how I got into the car business and into the car hobbies that I do. And of course, you can follow me on my Instagram channel, Kyle Pancis, to keep up with daily activity. Thank you. I showed this in the first series for this car, but you see this sun fade here. So the next thing here is we're gonna get that out. So stay tuned, watch that, check it out. All right, so you can see most of that sun fade came out. I gotta come up and do it again. I gotta come up here and do this again, but most of it came out. If you look from this angle, the majority of it down here is gone. I just gotta get this little spot right there. So that's good. Looks good. And I got most of the glue off of the trunk lid from the emblem. So I'll keep working on that, and it's looking shiny. Alright, so we're back here. I just did a final walk around out in the light to get all like the final dried watermarks and streaks off the paint from the car wash. Paint is really nice and smooth now. So we're gonna take this CarPro kit, that is ceramic coating, and we're going to go ahead and take care of this paint with the ceramic coating. I think for the age of the paint and the fact that it's been sitting outside for 16 years, it really came out nice. There is a few little sunspots in the clear coat, but other than that, it's really just, there's like 1 or 2 on the entire car. It's not that bad. So we're going to go ahead and start. Below are the links to my website and also some of the products that I'm going to be featuring in this video. So if you guys want to do this at home for yourself, you can purchase them yourself. So just work in small sections like I just did, and then let this cure for 12 hours at least in the garage. Look at this thing. Ceramic coating is complete. We're not completely done yet. We have to do one more little treatment to the paint, but the ceramic coating is on there, and I just want you to see how nice it came out. Everything is just perfect. The plastics, I got the plastics back to life here. No more fade. Looks good. Still need to get the emblems back on there, but that'll come. Beautiful. Look at this thing. Let's see if I can get close to it. See in the paint how nice it is. It came out good. Look at these bumpers. How often do you see bumpers in this good of condition? Absolutely incredible. This car looks brand new, and that's what we were shooting for. So you just got the complete walk around. So we have like the entire car protected here, so we're just gonna go ahead and pursue our dreams. See if this works. And grit sandpaper, and we're gonna do some wet sanding here.
Just fix that. Huh? Going to, yeah. Think you can?
Big buddy. Yeah, I ordered the paint, some clear coat.
He loved the park.
Did he?
Oh, look at him. He's all whipped out. He ran. Good for him. Try to do that 2-3 times a week. I'm going to ask you maybe to start that weed whacker, and I'll try and get that fixed up. Great idea.
Around the back here, we reinstalled new emblems, so nice and fresh there. And in the front, as you can see, put on a new emblem there, so it is looking good. If you guys like what I'm doing on my channel here and you want to support it, please hit that subscribe button. Give me some feedback down below, and I will see you guys next time.